Hey guys, how you doing today? I'm Andrew with GC Termite Control, and today I'm here to answer another frequently asked question. The question I'm going to be answering today is, how fast can I get my property certified for a VA or FHA loan? So, to keep it short, the quickest way that you can do it is if your house is in pristine condition and you don't have any problems at all, then you can get certified the same day. In order to get certified for VA or FHA loan, your property has to be free and clear of wood destroying organisms, any damage that they could or may have created, as well as any areas that might attract an infestation into your property. However, if everything has been resolved or there's no issues, then as I mentioned, the property can be certified the same day as the inspection. However, if there is any problems at that time, it's going to get a little bit longer depending on what you have. It could be from just completing some treatments, which could be done the same day, to a fumigation, which takes about it's about a 3-day process. And if you have to do some repairs, then that could add a day or two, a week, depending on how bad it is. But yeah, quickest way, or the quickest that you could do it, again, if everything's good to go, same day you can get certified. All right, hope that answered that question. If you have any additional questions or comments, please do feel free to leave them in the comment box below. If you like my videos, do subscribe to our channel. And if you need any assistance certifying your property or have any termite control issues, give us a call at 619-421-2101 or visit us online at gctermitecontrol.com. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.